Hello, guys, this morning and to this new class. So today I'm going to be teaching you a new aspect about Excel, the tool we have been learning, and it will be for you to know how to do your coming assignment. Okay, so let me see. Okay, there we go. Here we have our Excel file. This is a sample that I have. Okay, let me start to remind you um, some of the things we can do. For those of you that probably didn't come in previous classes and need to know how to fix something. Okay, so here we have a list of students, most of the students of the school. Okay, I downloaded this list from our school platform, and it's listed in Excel. Most of the platforms that work with registry of people, they use this type of applications, programs called Excel. Okay, so here we have our headings, the headings of our columns. Remember, columns, these are columns from top to bottom, columns, and rows. Okay, rows, filas, from left to right. All the data organized from left to right is a row. And the cell is the union of a column with a row. That's why this cell has the name of the column, D, and the number of the row, 4. Okay? So let me make it wider on top, here on top, not in the middle. Okay? On top, you make it wider to make every content fit. Okay? The space. Let me make it bigger, like this, like this. This list doesn't have a title heading. I mean a title heading for on top of the book of Excel of the sheet because I downloaded like this, and this is a database. Como es una base de datos, as I said, as it is a database, we have it like this, and it doesn't show any title heading on the top. We're going to apply it. Okay, so make it bigger to see it. Username, okay, and this is nonsense, but I'm going to leave it there. As you can see, this column, the content of this column takes the space of 4 different columns. To make it fit in only the original column, we make it wider again, okay, like this. Okay, right here. So the class for today is about organizing the text or the content in our lists of Excel and filtering it. As you can see here, I'm going to show you. As you can see here, we see 40, but this list goes up to 302 people. Okay, this list goes to 302 people, that much. Okay, and let's imagine that you are working with a list of people, list of products, and the list is very large. You will lose, or we will waste a lot of time trying to find a name there. Okay, so as I told you, this might contain thousands and hundreds of thousands, even millions of rows with content. Okay? To solve the problem, we use what we call filtering or organizing. Let's say we needing to find the content. Okay, we're needing to find the content, all the content that has the letter C. Instead of going down wasting that time to go down to the end, we can add the filter. How do I do that? It's very easy. We don't have to move to any option here. Okay, we're going to filter the content of the book by, you know, taking into account the header of the column. Okay, we see here user ID, the role of the people here in my list, they are students, the first name, the middle name, the last names of the students, the grade level of each student, their email address for the school account, okay, where they receive their assignment, etc. Okay, so I want to find a student, all the students with letter C, but the Z is at the end of the list. So I go here to this area, editing, where it says sort and filter. I'm going to sort the data here by the column first name. Okay, by the column first name, I'm going to sort all the data from C to A. Okay, so here, taking into account the names that in the column first name, it took all the data that start, all the names started with the C, and they put it in the beginning. And it didn't change the order. It didn't change the order of any other column here. Okay. Como vemos, aquí se cambió, se sorteó, se filtró o se organizó la información de la columna first name que está en la columna C, sorteó todos los nombres desde la Z hasta la Z estaba en el final, ahora está en el principio. Y aquí yo puedo ver si estoy buscando un nombre en específico o los nombres con Z, ¿bien? Me los filtró ahí, me los colocó de atrás para adelante, pero eso no quiere decir que cambió el orden de los demás datos en las demás columnas, ¿ok? No siempre quiere decir eso. ¿Ok? Vamos ahora a sortearlo otra vez desde la A a la Z. Bien. Pero right, volvió otra vez todos los datos y me los puso desde la A a la Z. Vamos a decir que quiero con la columna last name. Vamos a filtrar acá last name. Ahora ya no voy a sortear, no voy a organizar, sino que voy a filtrar. Voy a buscar datos en específico o de categorías específicas. I'm going to find the data about specific categories. And well, I'm not going to find last names. Grade level. For this one, grade level. So I'm going to add here sort and filter. I'm going to add a filter. And when I add a filter, what happens is that my book here, it's going to take into account the heading of each column, okay? That's why it's important to put heading to each column to know what type of data you are inserting. So I insert the filter, and you see here on top of each column, it added some elements for us to filter our data, okay? Excel all the time is going to assume, it's going to, understand that the first row that you use here in your list is going to be the header. Even though you don't put a header there, it's going to assume that you put a header for each category. So here I'm going to filter my data by level. Let me find all the students belonging to 8th grade. So here I have all the categories shown or appearing in this category grade level. So I'm going to unselect and I'm going to find all the students in 8th grade. Okay? So when I click it, find all the students in 8th grade. This is what happens. 8th grade students, these are at least the students that I have in this database. Okay, not everybody. Okay, so I want to quit the filter. I want to clear the filter and it goes normal. Okay, so let's say I want to find the students with name. Well, it's weird. Let's say I want to find how many rows are here. Okay, here we have all the names that we get in our list with no repetitions. Okay, so let me find all the people that are called in school Judy, for example, Judy. No, Jose. Jose. So I searched in all my list, all the students called Jose, so I have in my list 5 different Joses. Cabrera, Dunker, Leal, Paredes, Sanchez. Let's say I want to find um, how many Alfredo or Alexandra we have in the school. Only one Alexandra. Okay, let's say I want to find, let me clear this, clear the filter. Let's see, we want to find all the students in our school that have the last name Bautista. Only one person, Luis Bautista. Let me see. This is not in the whole school. This is what appears in my list. Let me clear the filter. Sorry. Uh, Bautista. Let me clear the filter. It was the filter I used. And so on. Let me see here. Another one. Let me clear. You have to clear first. Amelia. Let's see if I can find Amelia. Oh, I have several Amelias. Here I can filter not only by one category, I can filter by 2. I want you to find Excel any person called Amelia that belongs to 3rd grade, 5th grade, for example. Okay, only one Amelia that is in 5th grade. Let me clear the filter here, and only going to stay the 5th graders. Okay, let me clear the filter from 5th grade, and let me find the people last name and grade level. Let me find all the abbots that I have in the school, 2 abbots, and you see, that's the filter. Grade level, clear the filter. Grade level, all the students from 12th grade, for example, 9th grade, 9th graders, okay? So that's actually how the filters work. And as you see, that is one of the usages that you can give to Excel. This is one of the tools that we can apply in our daily work in the future. And who knows, right now helping someone in our home or helping someone in a special business. So I need you to understand this part, Excel, okay? I need you to understand this part and you will use it in your next assignment. So in your next assignment where I'm uploading this video, you are going to create a list, and in each list you are going to create a list and you are going to repeat this list in 3 different sheets, sorry. And you are going to apply different filters in each sheet so that I can see it when you upload it, okay? So this is the end of the explanation. I hope you could understand. And by the way, sorry, I want to clear this filter. I want to clear this filter, but uh, I want you to add to your list a printable format. Okay, what means a printable format? A printable format means next thing. You add your all borders, okay, all borders, and if you wish, you can also apply the thick outside borders too to make it white. And you can design the top of your list here in a proper way. So let me center it, center everything, and I use a quick style like this, and that's it. Okay, to give a better impression in your work. So I hope you could do this in a very effective way with this explanation. Okay, if you already did this assignment, I suggest you to redo it or to fix what you missed. Okay, in the assignment, uh, and I can check it throughout the next week. So I hope you can work it adequately and see you the next time, guys. Goodbye.